G'day, Adrian here from Harcourts in Wollongong, just talking to you today with another segment of How's the Market. Here we are, we're smack on the middle of June, and I just thought I'd give you an update on how I'm seeing things in the marketplace at the moment in terms of the sales and property management. Firstly, for sales, what I'm seeing there at the moment is continuing on from May's trend. There really doesn't seem to be much coming on the market at all, and what is coming on the market, as long as it's correctly priced, is certainly getting a red hot look. For example, I just come from an open home in Fairy Meadow where we had 19 groups of people through in a half an hour open inspection time. Now, it's a 2-bedroom brick house with a sunroom in Fairy Meadow, and it's on offers over $439. Now, that price bracket is getting a real good look at, and really it was marketed correctly in my eyes. We had some really nice half-page ads going today, and it's been well received with the video online as well as the press ad that's gone in. But in saying that, 19 inspections that come through today, I've already had 2 offers. Now, I'm not saying this to sort of beat my chest. It's happening amongst my colleagues in the industry that I'm talking to throughout the week. We sort of bump into each other around town, and it seems to be the theme around town at the moment that as far as houses are concerned, between that sort of 400 and 500 bracket is really a red hot market, and for the unit market, anything between 350 and 450 and a touch above is getting a real red hot go. There seems to be a lot of buyers out there at the moment making good offers, and they're not wasting any time. They're actually, conversely say to this time last year, it might take 2 or 3 weeks to get an exchange of contracts. I've just had one in Fig Tree last week, which the offer come through on the Monday, Tuesday, and it's pretty much exchanged by Friday. So people are seeing the urgency and the reason to getting with a good offer fast, and obviously make that right kind of move straight away, get their building and pest report done straight away, and sign the contracts, lock in that home before anyone else comes over the top. On the rental market, again, the numbers are certainly sliding a little bit, but it's still very encouraging. The rental market is still a really good market, meaning that you can buy a property. For example, I just sold a 3-bedroom unit on the corner of Corrimal Street and Campbell Street in Wollongong for $395. It was a renovated unit. We're probably going to put that on the market for rent. We sold it to an investor, obviously, for about $440, $450 a week. So the rental levels are still exceeding the levels of the price, and you're getting really good returns. I spoke to a buyer last week who's locked in a 5-year fixed interest rate. I can't remember which bank it was, but it was about 5.6, 5.5%. It was 3 or 4, 5 years. It was a long-term fixed term. So if you're borrowing money at 5.5%, and we're quite easily seeing 6% returns in residential real estate, you know what, it's paying for its own way, and there's no money coming out, or very little money coming out of your own pocket. So the rental market is still really, really good market to get into. Overall, I see the market being a level market heading into a seller's market. We're definitely going to a point now where the interest rates are certainly encouraging the consumers out there to feel confident enough to make offers, and as far as the rental market is concerned, people are still looking for good quality accommodation to go and live. So this even market is quite an opportune time because rental properties are still high, vacancy rates are still low, around about 2%, and we're seeing really good growth in the marketplace with buyers paying really good prices for really good properties. So get into the market as soon as you possibly can. I know that's easy for me to say as a real estate agent, but it seems to be that this is a real opportune time to get into the market. It would only seem logical that over the next 12, 18 months, 2 years, that this market may get even tighter as interest rates potentially could come down a little bit further. And we've got an election looming as well. All these things play a really key factor in the market, and it seems to be rubbing off really well. So there you have it. If you need any more help or hints, please subscribe down below, stay up to date in my YouTube blogs, or go to my website www.adriandemico.com.au. Chat to you soon.